artistic family, welcome back to today's pour. And from the title and what you guys can see here, I'm doing something completely different that I've never done before. I am doing a multi-ring pour swirl with my neutral metallics. So I'm using extreme sheen silver, I have gold and bronze, and I've added all of those into this cup. Here I just have the bronze, gold, and black. Black is coming out last on all of them, and it was in first. Here is just gold, bronze, and black, and then I have the bronze and copper. So there's a variation of them here so that they all blend and I get lots of pops of color in different areas. And I'm just going to lay 5 puddles of black paint on the canvas, and then we're going to get going. Notice that I didn't have you completely in view. I apologize. So one that has all of the colors, I'm going to put that in the center. But I think I should do a quick torch because I can see lots of air bubbles. And I will apologize in advance, guys, for any glare that you might see. More black over here. Finish this up. Get some more made up in case I need it. Okay, artistic family, let's go ahead and do this. Just pray for some beauty. It'd be hard not to be beautiful with this, so. Now again, it's completely fine, guys, if I'm not going to end up having a lot of the rings, and that's fine. Gorgeous design.